If you're planning international travel and considering an eSIM, the One SIM Card eSIM is an option worth looking into. But before you make your purchase, there are a few things you should know. Let's go over the key points, and I'll also share how it compares to other solutions out there. First thing you need to know, One SIM Card offers coverage in over 200 countries. This is a significant plus, especially when compared to some competitors that are more limited in their reach. Whether you're traveling to a major city or a more remote area, One SIM Card makes sure you're covered. Next thing to consider is pricing. One SIM Card operates on a pay-as-you-go model. While this can be convenient, it can also be more expensive than competitors like Airalo, which offers more affordable daily rates or specific plans for each country. So, depending on your travel plans, you may want to compare these costs. The third thing is the data packages. One SIM Card offers both short-term and long-term plans, but the data speeds are something to be aware of. While it's generally reliable, it's not always the fastest option out there. If you're planning on using a lot of data for things like streaming or heavy browsing, other providers might offer faster service. Next thing is ease of use. One SIM Card is easy to activate, but you'll need to manually activate the eSIM by scanning a QR code, which can sometimes be a hassle for those new to eSIMs. Some competitors, like Airalo, have apps that handle activation automatically, making it a bit more seamless. The fifth thing to note is that One SIM Card has a physical SIM card option as well, in case you need it. This can be helpful if you're unsure about your device supporting eSIM, or if you just prefer having a physical backup. Not every eSIM provider offers this flexibility. Next thing is customer support. One SIM Card offers support through email and phone, but compared to some competitors, it might not be as responsive or available 24/7. Some alternatives, like Nomad, have quicker response times and more user-friendly customer service options. The seventh thing is the global coverage. One SIM Card provides good coverage in many regions, but you may find certain countries, especially in Europe and Asia, have better options with other eSIM providers. If you're traveling extensively across those regions, it might be worth checking what coverage is like, specifically for each area. The eighth thing to remember is the validity of your eSIM. One SIM Card's eSIM data plans have varying expiration times, and you'll want to keep track of that. Some other providers offer longer validity periods, making it easier for travelers who might not need the data immediately, but want it ready for a longer period. The ninth thing is how data top-ups work. One SIM Card makes it easy to top up data on the go, but it can be a bit more expensive than alternatives, particularly for international travelers who need constant data access. The 10th thing is that One SIM Card offers a hybrid plan, which allows you to use both eSIM and physical SIM cards in one device. While it's a great option for flexibility, managing multiple SIMs could be confusing for some users, especially when compared to simpler eSIM-only solutions. Next thing is the availability of add-ons. With One SIM Card, you can purchase add-ons for things like international calling and texting. While it's a good feature, it doesn't always offer the most competitive rates when compared to some of the more streamlined eSIM-only services. The 12th and final thing to consider is that One SIM Card isn't the most budget-friendly option out there. It can be more expensive than other eSIM providers, especially if you're planning to travel for longer periods. If you're looking for more cost-effective international data, providers like Airalo or Holafly might offer better deals for heavy users. In conclusion, One SIM Card is a solid choice for international travel eSIM services, offering decent coverage and flexibility. However, if you're looking for something with more competitive pricing, easier setup, and potentially faster speeds, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.